Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino magkasama sa birthday celebration ni Direk Lino.
When we talk about family, di ba?
Matapos ang naganap na photoshoot ni Kim Chiu kahapon, ay spotted nga ito sa naganap na birthday celebration ni Direk Lino, kung saan ay kasama nga nito si Mr. Paolo Avellino, si Direk Lino din, ang isa sa nakatrabaho ni Mr. Paolo Avellino at Kylie sa pelikula nilang Elevator. Kilala din na malapit si Direk Lino kay Sir Deo Endrino, samantala bukod kina Kim at Paolo ay marami ding mga artistang dumalo kagabi.
I just want to thank everyone here for our friendship because we really appreciate each and everyone here. You know, I mean, me and Nino really cherish each and everyone our friendship here, and we want.
Ang pandemic, hindi lang naman pamilya yung ka-text natin. In fact, a lot of the people who were there for us, who was there for me, were our friends. And something we learned during the pandemic, sabi nga ni Kim, bawal lumabas, di ba? Sabi but I think testament sa atin lahat. Mga pala, I miss Sir Deo so much. I miss our friend Sir Deo so much. When we talk about family, di ba? Lahat 99% ng telenovela tungkol sa pamilya. And rightfully so, no? My family is the most important thing to me, Phil and our 3 kids. But so little is said about friendship. So really tonight, more than our birthdays, we want to celebrate friendship. Nung pandemic, hindi lang naman pamilya yung ka-text natin.